So this is the first job opening that we have, which is in Yalaman, Chile. Okay, so they are hiring for a lot of positions like network engineer, system engineer, but the main focus is this one, right? Cybersecurity for freshers. So if you're 23 or 24, 2023 or 2024 passed out, okay, then you can apply for this job role. This is for freshers, and this is the mail ID on which you can apply, right? And this is a Visakhapatnam job, which is probably in the south. Okay, so freshers friendly. Okay, you can apply if you want. Right now, the next opening is in Vedant Soft. Okay, so they want someone with a 0 to 6 month of experience. Like freshers, graduate can apply as well. If you recently graduated and you are absolutely fresher, then you can apply for this job role. This is the mail ID, and there are a couple of skills which is required. Accordingly, they will going to tell you for what position they are going to hire. Right. Next one, VAPT consultant. This is for someone who should have less experience. Probably here is the 3+ years of experience that they have. They're hiring for cybersecurity VAPT consultants. If you have anything, you can ask. VIEH mandatory OSCP is a plus point. Mumbai based job SOC. This is a mail ID on which you can apply. Right. Next one, malware analysis. Freshers. Again, it want only 1 year of experience. Delhi based job. Delhi Hawaii Samal Kirana. This is a mail ID on which you can apply. Now, next one. Yes, VAPT consultant. Again, 3+ years of experience is required. This is the mail ID from which you can apply. Yeah, that's all, guys. Thank